Are your legs starting to feel weaker, shakier, or more tired with each passing day? Are you struggling to rise from a chair, climbing stairs more slowly, or feeling unsteady during your morning walks? If so, it's essential that you pay very close attention, because what I'm about to reveal might genuinely surprise you. The root cause of this gradual decline in your leg strength and stability may not be your age, weight, or even a lack of exercise, as commonly believed. Instead, the problem could be hiding in plain sight right on your dinner plate. While we're often told that eating vegetables is a cornerstone of healthy aging, especially after 60, the truth is that some of these seemingly healthy foods might actually be silently harming your muscles, circulation, and overall mobility. In this video, I'll uncover 5 vegetables commonly believed to be healthy, even essential, that may in fact be gradually draining strength from your legs. Many seniors eat these foods daily, believing they are doing the right thing, but without realizing the long-term damage these vegetables can cause. Some are loaded with hidden sodium. Others interfere with muscle repair, proper circulation, or even thyroid function. The result is a slow, silent deterioration of your lower body's ability to function properly, which can lead to loss of independence, falls, and reduced quality of life. Let's start with a familiar vegetable that might be in your pantry right now: canned spinach. It's a go-to choice for many health-conscious seniors because it's leafy, green, and packed with iron, or so we think. But the reality is far more complicated. Canned spinach is often a hidden sodium bomb, containing more than 350 milligrams of sodium per half-cup serving. For older adults managing high blood pressure, heart health, or fluid retention, this level of sodium acts like poison in disguise. I've seen this firsthand in my clinic. One of my longtime patients, Eleanor, a 74-year-old woman who led an active lifestyle and had no major medical concerns, came in complaining of worsening leg cramps, heaviness in her limbs, and unexplained fatigue. After reviewing her diet, one thing stood out: she was eating canned spinach nearly every day. What she didn't realize is that the high sodium in canned vegetables like spinach can lead to fluid retention, especially in the lower extremities, causing swelling, tightness, and that dull, dragging sensation in the legs. More concerning is that excess sodium raises blood pressure, which restricts oxygen and nutrient flow to muscles, further weakening them over time. And it doesn't stop there. High sodium levels can also cause calcium to leach from your bones, accelerating the loss of bone density and leaving muscles more prone to fatigue and injury. In Eleanor's case, we replaced her canned spinach with fresh or frozen varieties, rinsed thoroughly and gently cooked. In just a few weeks, she reported decreased swelling, reduced leg cramps, and a renewed sense of strength. This simple change drastically improved her mobility and quality of life. It's a powerful reminder that not everything labeled healthy is actually beneficial, especially in your 60s and beyond. The form in which you consume a food, canned, fresh, or frozen, can make a significant difference. Food can be medicine or a slow-acting poison, and canned spinach is a perfect example of how even good intentions can go wrong. If canned spinach can be that harmful, Imagine what damage might be caused by other vegetables seniors often eat, especially during summer cookouts or in seemingly innocent salads. One of the most surprising culprits is a group of vegetables known as nightshades, a family that includes tomatoes, eggplants, and peppers. These are beloved staples in countless diets across the world. They're colorful, rich in vitamins, and often praised for their antioxidant content. But for many older adults, especially those experiencing joint stiffness, leg cramps, or general muscle fatigue, nightshades might be doing far more harm than good. Let me tell you about George, a 69-year-old retired firefighter who lived by a clean diet and active lifestyle. He regularly grilled vegetables, enjoyed tomato-based soups, and tossed fresh bell peppers into his salads. Despite this, George started noticing increased stiffness in his knees, frequent nighttime leg cramps, and difficulty getting out of bed in the morning. He attributed these symptoms to aging, but upon closer examination, we discovered that nightshade vegetables were playing a major role. The issue with nightshades lies in a chemical called solanine, which can trigger inflammation in sensitive individuals, and sensitivity increases with age. While not everyone will react the same way in those over 60, even mild sensitivities can snowball into chronic inflammation in the muscles and joints. What's especially deceptive is that this type of inflammation often goes undetected in blood work. It builds slowly and subtly, creeping in until your legs feel weaker, your balance deteriorates, and daily activities become more difficult. For George, eliminating nightshades from his diet for just 30 days brought dramatic improvement. His legs felt lighter, his knees were more flexible, and his nightly cramps became a thing of the past. He wasn't just getting older, he was unknowingly being affected by foods his body could no longer tolerate. And that's the hidden danger. The foods we often trust the most, those considered healthy, can turn against us if our bodies change with age. Many seniors are unknowingly sabotaging their mobility, balance, and energy by consuming vegetables that trigger inflammation, disrupt circulation, or flood their systems with sodium. It's crucial to listen to your body and be open to the idea that something you've eaten your whole life might no longer be serving you. Our bodies are dynamic. What worked for you at 30 may harm you at 70. By paying attention to symptoms like leg heaviness, cramping, or instability, and connecting them to your diet, you can take back control over your health and independence. If you've read this far and these insights resonate with you, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment with the number 1 to let me know you're with me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another senior-focused health tip. In the next part of this video, I'll reveal more surprising vegetables that might be quietly stealing your strength, and show you what to eat instead to feel younger, stronger, and more secure on your feet again. Stay tuned.